How to find archived emails in Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. The Gmail app allows users to access and manage their Gmail accounts, including sending, receiving, and organizing emails. The app also offers options for customizing settings, managing multiple accounts, and utilizing smart features like Smart Compose. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, scroll down and go to All Mail. Tap on the All Mail button at the top. As you can see, there is no archived emails option over here. Hence, you cannot view archived emails on Gmail. Following these steps, you can find archived emails in Gmail on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.